Greetings, everyone. Prepare all the ingredients for this dessert in advance. And from the ingredients, we need flour, 100 grams of raisins, 1 orange, sugar, mineral water, baking powder, and ground nuts. In addition, we also need a larger bowl, a whisk, and 200 milliliters glass as a unit of measurement. I measured 2 glasses of sugar. I will add 500 milliliters of any sparkling water to it. Now we stir everything just a bit. Afterwards, we measure 3 glasses of flour. Add the flour to the bowl with mineral water and sugar. I'll add raisins right away, and then I will stir everything. After stirring, I will grate the peel of 1 orange, but first we wash the orange with baking soda. I also add 10 grams of baking powder and stir everything again. Measuring out 2 cups of ground walnuts. I add them to the bowl, and then I measure half a glass of cooking oil. Now I'm going to stir it all together. If you wish, you can also add 1 small pack of vanilla sugar. When we stir everything for the last time, the cake mix is ready. Coat the pan with oil, in which we will bake the cake, and then sprinkle with a bit of flour. Spread the flour around the pan. Remove excess flour. Pour the mixture, flatten it nicely, and bake the cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Bake the cake for 35 minutes or adjust the baking time to your oven. Cover it with a cloth and let it cool.